Yo, welcome back to another Take 5 workout. We're doing jump rope and abs today, 30 seconds on with a short 5 seconds to go from abs to jump rope or jump rope to abs. Grab your rope or ropes. I'm gonna be using a heavier rope and a lighter rope, and let's do this.
Up next, 90-degree crunch. Back to jump rope. Up next, reverse crunch. Back to jump rope. Up next, 90-degree crunch. Back to jump rope. Up next, reverse crunch. Back to jump rope.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Done.
Whew. How'd you guys do? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you for taking 5 with me. I will see you in the next one. Yo!
If you're in the zone, take on one of these workouts next.